I'm Dave. What we're going to do here is go over all the steps to bring your Doom mod to life and then publish it as an official Doom plus Doom 2 mod. Whether it's a single level WAD, and WAD is our file format, which means where's all the data, or a feature length megawad, we'll lightly cover pretty much everything. This will not be a deep dive, but rather touch on necessary concepts and give you a jumping off point to explore the finer points and find your voice using the tools at hand. Welcome to Chapter 5. It's UMAP info time. We're going to start by using this cool utility called UMAP Info Designer to create a reference text file and then put that inside of our WAD and change that within Slade. So with this program, we're going to assign music to the levels, add level names, our splash graphics, and par times. And we're going to pop that into Slade and kind of get into how it works and why it works. So I've opened UMAP Info Designer. It already knows Doom 2. So we're going to load our WAD. Which is the one that we just changed. It's now 54 megabytes. So it's in, but it doesn't show anything. You have to add a level first for each single level, which is sort of not necessary as we go along, but we're going to do just one for now because that's all we have. So it's map 01, and there it is. There's no data yet. I'm going to give it a name. Call it numero uno. Next level default, it'll go into map 2. We're not doing episodes because it's Doom 2. This is all Doom 1 things you can do. Music. And you can see it found these songs. So we're going to use, I should have renamed it for simplicity, but it's fine. 06 Unholy Order from Anunbian. Select. Select data lump. There you go. Par time. Let's say 20 seconds. This will be something that you will adjust based on your own experience when the level's finished or tweaked. More info, boss actions, the intermission stuff, if you have an intermission level. But for this, we're simply going to, level name image will be default. It's going to use the text that we set. You can do it, you can make a graphic and use that instead of the default text, but we're simply going to do this. And we're going to choose background image for entering and exiting the level. For that, we will use where was that? I still have Slate open so we can see. Splash BG, that's right. There it is. It's not within the flats, sorry. the same thing. That's it. So we're gonna, instead of doing this, because it tends to break, we're gonna show UMap info. This is just a comment, and this is the actual meat. We're gonna keep it all because that fella did good work. Copy it. Go into Slade. We're gonna add a new entry. UMap info. Type. Text. Now we're going to add to this next time. We need a level 2 to change this to, and then we need to add data for level 2. But for now, we should be set. We're going to test it really quick. Tutorial WAD, map 1. Let's give her a look. Oh, whoops. You got a boomstick. Music is weird. Shell's ammo is down. Numero uno finished. Par 20. And that is it for this time. We'll be back next time with some more level editing.